How to collaboration video to one channel to another. For example, I want to upload a shorts as a test purpose, then press on next, then simply press on next again to access this setting. Then here you can see invitation to collaborate. Just press on this option, then you can see you are in control. So that's mean you can change the whole setting and you will help to video reach collaboration, and revenue, view and watch time all are saved to your main channel. So now type your channel name that's you want to collaboration. For example, I want to collaborate with this channel. Then press on your channel, then you once press on this option, then you can see the allow to analytic. So I don't show the allow, or you can enable this option, then create a link. Now copy this link, and you can see the invitation all collaboration must be copy the link and share it with them. Now if I go back, then you can see collaboration is now pending. Now if you want to remove this, you can also remove this one, or you can share this link with the other person. Now once we publish your video to your YouTube, then other person notified this collaboration, and if he or she accepts this collaboration, then easily go to the collaboration section. So that's it. This is how you can easily invite collaboration to YouTube new feature. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.